Hey guys, in this video, I'll actually show you how you could duplicate any figurines you have and then 3D print an exact copy with the help of 3D scanning and 3D printing technologies. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to do so. This will really help me produce better quality videos in the future. Okay, to start with, please allow me to proudly introduce Kiri Engine App. It's a product that my company has been developing for years. And this product allows you to just take pictures around an object you want to 3D scan. And then with the help of cloud computing technology, you could get a very accurate 3D model right on your phone within minutes. Although this app is still in the early alpha testing phase, I've embedded the download link into the video description section so you guys can give a first try. Okay, once you've acquired the 3D model from using the Kiri Engine app, you can easily export the 3D model into your computer. And for me, I just thought it would be cool if I could add a base plate into this figurine to give it a more miniature-like feeling. And to do that, I used a software called Mesh Mixer. Mesh Mixer is a completely free software that allows you to easily manipulate the 3D model to the way you want. So once I imported the 3D model into the software, I realized the 3D model isn't big enough. So I simply scaled the 3D model to the size I would like it to be, and then I added a base plate into the 3D model super easily, just like this. Once I was satisfied with the 3D model, and then I export the 3D model and then import it into the Anycubic slicer for 3D printing. If you followed me on the last episode, you would know that I only recently got the Anycubic resin 3D printer. So this is my first time trying the Anycubic slicer to work with it. And I have to say, the Anycubic slicer works perfect and gives you all the functions you need for the slicing job. So to get a better 3D printing quality, I angled the 3D model to around 45 degrees. And then I created several holes on both sides of the base plate. These holes can actually help you remove the residual resin inside the 3D model once you've done 3D printing. And then I tried auto-generating support features in the slicer and looks pretty good. So I just let it be and send the sliced file to the 3D printer for 3D printing. Okay, so after 3D printing, I applied a surface primer on the 3D printed model. I tried cleaning the model as much as I could, and then I started painting. So I looked at my available painting colors. I realized most of these colors wouldn't really look good on this action figure. So I decided to only paint it with white and black. Yeah, one takeaway I learned from this painting experience was that you can't just rely on the first try. You have to apply layer by layer of the colors onto the surface until you get a more satisfied result. And in the end, this is what I got. Well, I wouldn't say this was a failure because considering this was my first time painting a 3D printed model, well, it's ugly, of course, definitely, but it's definitely interesting. So if you guys follow the process and got a much better result, well, I believe you will. Feel free to send me an email or direct message to me. I will be super interested to see what you ended up getting.